What is the biggest delay when applying for a life insurance, and what can you do to speed up the process? Hi, my name is Janeta Getchev with One Stop Life Insurance. And today I wanted to answer a question that frustrates many of our clients. Why is the application taking so long? So first off, a typical life insurance process, the application is completed, possible medical exam. They are life insurance options that will not require a medical exam. Some options will require the medical exam. And based on the results of the medical exam, the company may request a copy of your medical records. And that's the reason for the biggest delay. On many occasions, we've worked with clients where it takes 4, 6, 8 weeks to get a copy of those medical records and being able to submit them to the underwriting team reviewing your application. Many companies have streamlined the request process. We send a formal request to your doctor with the authorization to release the records. However, some doctors' offices could take up to 30 days to log in the request, and then additional 20 plus business days, 30 days to actually provide the medical records. And we even had a case where the doctor did not want to submit the medical records electronically, and those had to be mailed to the company, which, as you can guess, it's just added extra time to the process. So naturally, you as a client could get frustrated because here you are, you've completed your application, you've done the medical exam if one was required, and now basically we just sit and wait for your doctor to release the medical records. Which brings me to what can you do to speed up the process? Well, first off, please just advise us if you have seen more than one doctor, so that way we can order records simultaneously between more than one doctor's office. Or provide us with the doctor's information of the person who will have the most complete medical records. For example, you're seeing a specialist, that specialist forward the records to your primary care physician. We'll just make sure that you give us both names or just advise us where we should get the records from. And then the other thing that I personally try to avoid at all costs is getting you involved within the request. Because I feel this is something that me as an agent and my team should be able to assist you and just not make the process as easy as possible. However, a call to your doctor from you could go a long ways. We've had an instance where it was taking us 45 plus days trying to get the medical records. And even though we follow a system where we follow up with the doctor's office almost on daily basis or check on those medical records, it still was taking a long time. So we've asked our client to step in and if possible, call in his doctor to get the process moving along quicker, much faster. And believe it or not, we had those medical records within 2 days. From that moment on, the underwriting team took another 3 days to review those. Typically, the turnaround time is 1 to 3 business days for the medical records to be reviewed based on the company and the size of the medical records. And we had a decision that week. If he had not stepped in, we probably could have waited for those records 2-3 more weeks before those were released to us. So the biggest thing, again, to wrap up, that could cause a delay in your life insurance application is scheduling a medical exam and obtaining those medical records. If you have any questions, if you would like us to take a look at your personal situation, simply reach out to us. We hope you have a great rest of your day.